This bot replies to your emails while you sleep. No server needed. 8 minutes, zero infrastructure, and by the end of this video, you'll have a working Claude-powered responder running on Cron. I'm going to show you the exact code. So here's what we're building. Email comes in, Cron fires every 5 minutes, reads unread messages through the mail protocol, sends the subject and body to Claude, drops the reply back into your sent folder. Automatically. Watch this inbox. I sent myself a test email 30 seconds ago. There it is. Bot caught it. Claude wrote the reply, already in sent. That's the whole thing. What you'll need before we start. Python 3.10 or newer, the Anthropic SDK, that's one pip install, a Gmail account with the mail protocol enabled, or any email provider that supports it, and either a Mac or Linux machine for Cron or Zapier if you don't want to touch a terminal. That's it. No AWS, no Docker, no database. Step 1. Install the SDK and grab your API key. Open your terminal, run pip install Anthropic. Then go to console.anthropic.com, create an API key, and export it. I'm exporting mine right now. Export Anthropic_API key equals your key in quotes. Add that line to your .zshrc or .bashrc so it persists. Don't hardcode the key in your script. Environment variable only. Step 1, done. Step 2, mail protocol setup. Gmail requires an app password, not your main password. Settings, security, app passwords. Generate one for mail. Copy it. Back in your terminal, set 2 more nvars. Gmail_user equals your address. Gmail_gatas equals the app password. If you're on a different provider, Outlook, Fastmail, anything, same pattern, just swap the mail server host. I'll put a host reference table in the description. Step 3, the core script. I'll walk you through every section. First, the imports. IMAP lib for the mail protocol, SMT regulu for sending, email for parsing, and Anthropic. Then the mail connection block. We log in, select the inbox, search for messages you haven't read yet. For each unread message ID, we fetch the raw email, parse out the subject and body, then pass both to Claude. Here's the Claude call. This is the heart of it. The Claude call is about 8 lines. Client equals anthropic.anthropic. Then client.messages.create. Model equals Claude 3.5 haiku. That's the fast, cheap one, perfect for email. Max tokens 512. And a system prompt. The system prompt is where your voice lives. I wrote mine as, you are a professional assistant replying on behalf of your name. Be concise, warm, and sign off with your name. That's it. Claude reads the original email and writes a reply that sounds like you. Actually, I want to show you a real output before I go further. Here's a real reply the bot wrote. Incoming email was, hey, can we push the Tuesday call to Thursday at the same time? And Claude replied, hi, Thursday works perfectly. Same time it is. Talk then. 12 words, correct, signed with my name. I couldn't have written it faster myself. And it marked the original as read, so it won't fire again. That loop. Read, reply, mark read. That's the whole engine. Step 4. Wire it to Cron. Run crontab-e in your terminal. Add one line. */5, ****** path to Python 3, space, / full path to your script. That fires every 5 minutes. Forever. No process manager, no always-on server. Your laptop handles it when it's open. You want it running when your machine's closed? Zapier has a Python step. Paste the same script body in. Set a 5-minute zap. Done. Free tier covers it. Step 5. One safety guard before you go live. Add a whitelist check. Before the bot replies, confirm the senders in a list you control. One line. If sender not in allowed senders, skip. This stops it from auto-replying to spam or mailing lists. I also added a subject line filter. If the subject contains unsubscribe or no reply, hard skip. 2 filters, 20 seconds to add. And you'll never send a bot reply where you shouldn't.
Full run through.
Email arrives, cron fires within 5 minutes, script connects through the mail protocol, finds unread messages, checks the whitelist, fetches subject and body, sends both to Claude with your system prompt, gets back a clean reply, fires it through the send protocol, marks the original read. Cost per reply is roughly 1/10 of a cent on Haiku. 50 emails a day that warrant a bot reply? That's 5 cents. The full code is in the description right now. Fork it. Swap the system prompt for your voice. Add your envars. You're live. Want the Zapier version or the Outlook variant? That build is next.